Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on developer mode for extension in your Chrome browser. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser right here. And next thing you want to do is to make sure you come to the top right here, click on these three dots right here, and go ahead and navigate to extension right here. So from extension, go ahead and click on manage extensions. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and come to the top right here. So you can enable developer mode, turn on this particular toggle button right here. You can enable developer mode for all extensions you have in your Chrome browser. Then when you enable developer mode, you can load unpack, you can pack extension, and you can update your extensions right here. However, you can enable developer mode for a dedicated extension. Maybe you want to pack extension, or you want to upgrade a specific extension. So what you want to do here is to turn off the general developer mode, then select a particular extension that you want to enable developer mode for. For instance, if I want to enable developer mode for this particular extension right here, keyword everywhere, so go ahead and hit on detail. So this is going to pump up the detail about the extension. The next thing you want to do here is to make sure you go ahead and come to the top right here. Make sure you turn on this particular button right there. So once you turn on this particular button, then you have detail about the developer mode options right here, just such as load, unpack, then pack extension, and update the specific extension. That's it. For more tutorial about how best to use your Chrome browser and extension, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.